Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel. Today, we're diving into the world of grow bags and exploring the top 8 reasons why they're a game changer for your plants. Before we begin, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest gardening videos. So, without further ado, let's sow the seeds of today's enlightening discourse on the wonders of grow bags. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the reasons, let's quickly understand what grow bags are. Simply put, grow bags are fabric containers designed specifically for gardening. These bags are as versatile as they come, available in a variety of sizes to suit your specific gardening needs. And the best part? They're made from breathable, durable materials that provide optimal aeration and drainage for your plants. The great thing about gardening is that it doesn't necessarily require a sprawling backyard or a lavish greenhouse. Sometimes all you need is a little bit of space and a lot of love for plants, and that's where grow bags come in. These compact, versatile containers are perfect for maximizing your gardening space. You could be living in an apartment with just a small balcony, or perhaps you have a backyard, but it's limited in size. No matter your situation, grow bags can adapt. They can be arranged tightly for small areas or spread out to fill larger spaces. They're also fantastic for vertical gardening, which is an excellent way to make use of wall spaces. Next up, the importance of aeration. Well, it's all about letting your plants breathe freely from all sides. Grow bags, with their fabric construction, make this possible. Unlike traditional pots and planters, grow bags don't confine air to the top layer of soil. Instead, they allow air to circulate around the entire root system, preventing soil compaction. This free flow of air also aids in the healthy breakdown of organic matter, enriching the soil and providing essential nutrients to your plants. This is especially beneficial for plants like tomatoes and peppers, which thrive on well-aerated root systems. Healthy roots lead to thriving plants. With grow bags, you can say goodbye to root-bound issues that plague traditional pots and containers. The fabric nature of grow bags promotes a fascinating phenomenon known as air pruning. When the roots of your plants reach the side of the bag, they sense the drier soil exposed to the air and are pruned, halting their outward growth. The air pruning effect encourages the growth of lateral roots, promoting a robust root system. Need flexibility in your garden layout? Look no further. Grow bags are lightweight, portable, and equipped with handles. So whether it's moving your sun-loving herbs to a sunny spot in the morning or bringing your delicate plants indoors during a frosty night, it's as simple as picking up your grow bags and heading off. With grow bags, you're not just gardening, you're gardening smart. So why stick to the conventional when you can enjoy a smarter, more versatile gardening experience by opting for grow bags? Water, the lifeblood of your plants. But too much of a good thing can quickly turn into a problem. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes in gardening, often leading to waterlogged soil and root rot. Grow bags excel in drainage, preventing waterlogging and ensuring the perfect moisture balance. The breathable fabric allows excess water to seep out, preventing your plants from sitting in a puddle of water. This is a game changer for moisture-sensitive crops like strawberries or herbs, preventing root rot and ensuring a healthy growth environment. Temperature matters, and grow bags have got you covered. The fabric material of grow bags is a great temperature regulator. Whether it's insulation for cool season crops like lettuce or spinach, or preventing soil overheating in warm climates, grow bags adapt to the temperature needs of your plants. This temperature regulation is particularly beneficial for plants sensitive to extreme temperatures. Let's talk versatility. These fabric containers can accommodate a wide range of plants, from root vegetables to flowering beauties. Fancy cultivating juicy tomatoes? No problem. Want to grow your own radishes? Easy peasy. Dreaming of a colorful garden with marigolds, petunias, or even roses? Absolutely possible. They're not limited to a certain type of plant or a specific gardening style. From herbs to flowers, exotic plants to everyday vegetables, grow bags have got you covered. Healthy plants are happy plants. With superior aeration and drainage, grow bags minimize the risk of soil-borne diseases. Grow bags, with their superior aeration and drainage capabilities, ensure that the soil isn't waterlogged or compacted. They provide an environment where roots can breathe easy and excess water can drain away, thereby minimizing the chances of diseases such as root rot or fungal infections. Moreover, by keeping the soil loose and well-drained, grow bags can help break the disease cycle, making it harder for pests and diseases to persist from one planting cycle to the next. Think of it as an extra layer of protection, especially crucial for sensitive plants like tomatoes. Now, which plants are best suited for grow bags? The answer is quite a few. Herbs like basil and mint, vegetables such as tomatoes and carrots, fruits like strawberries, and even flowers like marigolds and petunias. Grow bags truly open up a world of possibilities for diverse plant cultivation. The possibilities are endless. As we wrap up today's exploration of the benefits of grow bags, remember that successful gardening is all about providing the right environment for your plants to thrive. Grow bags offer that perfect balance of space efficiency, soil aeration, root health, portability, water drainage, temperature regulation, versatility, and reduced disease risk. So why not give them a try? If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening and see you next time.